I gravitated in the early days to civil service and the grand opportunity that government-owned forests offered, many millions of acres owned by the people. Forests that also needed consolidation, protection from thieves and yellow dogs in every dark corner of America. They needed organization. They needed active forest scientific management for the long run. But when I arrived at the United States Division of Forestry a few years later, a full 18 years after its establishment, mind you, Mr. Baker, I found further evidence of the bleak state of affairs that was forestry in America. We had all of 10 people in the Bureau. I made the population 11. We had 2 small rooms high up in the old agriculture building. And in the entire division of forestry, we had but 1 diameter tape measure, 1 increment borer, and 1 pair of calipers that unfolded from a walking cane of all things, and not a single marking hatchet, not one. Moreover, I found in the records as I perused them that people corresponded with our division of forestry, mind you. What they wanted to know about was anything but practical forestry. They wanted to know about shade trees, ornamental shrubs, and how to preserve elms from decay, and how to raise mushrooms. Why, when someone found out I was a forester, they asked me if I could help them with their roses. That's the state of forestry in the day. Forestry education was not just the purview for the public. Forestry education was in an even worse state. A non-existent state, Mr. Baker, at least until Dr. Schenk's Biltmore School began a new chapter in our history.